A lot of people don't realize that you actually absorb more through your skin into your bloodstream in your body than you do when you drink something. So if I drink water from the sink with fluoride and chlorine and all that in there, I'm going to absorb less by drinking it than I am if I actually take a shower in it. All right, hey guys, I want to read these list of symptoms off right here, and if you have any of these symptoms right here, it's going to tell you something very important about your health. So listen up to this, okay? So irregular periods, unexplained weight gain or weight loss, chronic fatigue or difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep, headaches or migraines, changes in appetite, changes in libido, infertility, bloating and or stomach pains, changes in heart rate, changes in blood pressure, sensitive skin, and excessive sweating. Right? If one of those things I said right there is you, if it's something you're dealing with on a regular basis, or maybe it's multiple of those, there's a good likelihood that there's some things going on with your hormones that need to be addressed, right? And typically hormone issues will come from high levels of stress, emotional stress, physical stress. Maybe it's a car accident that you had. Maybe you play way too many sports, you work out way too much, and it's stressing you out physically and your hormones are out of alignment. Or maybe you just eat like junk and you got too many chemicals and too much sugar in your environment and it's causing hormone issues. Or maybe you're emotionally stressed. But these symptoms right here that I just read off are go directly back to many times hormone issues. And so what we're doing about that is because what that list I just read is a good majority of the people that walk through our office. I mean, most of them have more than one of these issues. And so we've decided to really start to help people, educate people by doing these videos, but at the same time, we're doing workshops now. And so our workshop that we're having coming up is the Hormone Workshop. And how do you actually get your body and figure out why do you have these symptoms, what's going on with your hormones, what kind of testing do you need to do, and then also what kind of diet do you need to follow, what kind of stress relief exercises do you need to do, what kind of exercising should you be doing. If you're someone with hormone problems, should you be exercising and how? Those are really big questions. We're going to answer all these things at this workshop. We're also going to talk about beauty products, what you should be putting on your skin, what you shouldn't put on your skin. A lot of people don't realize that you actually absorb more through your skin into your bloodstream in your body than you do when you drink something. So if I drink water from the sink with fluoride and chlorine and all that in there, I'm going to absorb less by drinking it than I am if I actually take a shower in it. Believe it or not. So your body actually gets more chemicals that way. And so the stuff we put in our skin has a huge impact on our health. They've said that women in the first few hours of their day is about 350 different chemicals on their body. For men, it's about 150. So there's a ton of chemicals between all the beauty products and everything that's in them. We're loading our bodies up with these chemicals. It's destroying our hormones, affecting estrogens, and it's leading to things like breast cancer, like cervical cancer. This is October right now, and I know it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month. There's no better time than now, whether you feel amazing or whether you know you're having hormone issues, to figure out and learn about your hormones so you can address these things before they become problems, or so you can get care and get better if they are a problem. So make sure you come to this workshop. We're going to post the link on the Eventbrite to sign up for the workshop on October 28th. And the workshop link will be right below in the comments. So go there, click on that. Hey, you can bring anyone you want. Bring a friend. This is a free event. We just want to get to know you some and actually get an opportunity to teach you and shift the way you think. If we continue to do what we're doing in our country, if we continue to make every fountain pink, and if we continue to just raise money and do fun runs and things like that for breast cancer awareness, we're going to continue to get the same results. The pharmaceutical companies are going to continue to make a ton of money. We're going to continue to get sicker. We're going to continue to build more cancer unless we shift and do something different. We have to change the way we think. Have to change what's in here and how we see things. That it isn't about treating cancer. It's about preventing cancer. And you don't prevent cancer with a mammogram. You find cancer on a mammogram. That means it's already there. You prevent cancer by changing your life. You prevent cancer by doing the right type of healthcare. Staying out of that medical model, just continue to take medications. Prevention is the key, but you don't know how to prevent it unless you know how to actually evaluate your body and see where you're at and how to start. So make sure you come to that workshop. It's going to be powerful, and you're going to learn a ton about your health and about your hormones. Hey guys, share this. I want everyone we can find to get there, and we're going to have an awesome night. You guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you later.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching this video. If you want to connect with us and learn more, we're constantly shooting videos. We actually have a blog as well, and we have a website where you can learn so much more. If you want help with your health, you can actually connect with us, come into our clinic, or jump on a phone call with us and see if we can help you. To do that, go to the links below in the information area and click those areas, and then you can move forward and see how we can actually address and help you with your health issues as well.